Sir, would you care to explain this trail of leaves? Would you like to explain the trail of leaves to your various fans and followers? Would you like to tell them about it? Why don't you tell Mama what it is that you've been doing all day? What have you been doing all day, Sabu? Yeah. Have you been meowing to go out into the balcony while it's raining? Standing out there for 10 seconds, then coming back in and doing that at least 4 times already today? For some reason? What is the reason? Share the reason. Sabu, what is the reason? You don't know, do you? You want to get rained on slightly and then come back in? Is that it? No more questions.